So you want to connect two meshes together. The first thing that you have to do is to select the other mesh with a control. From there, you are going into the mesh command and you are going to combine. Once that turns it into a separate mesh, what you need to do is you need to go into the face mode and delete the faces that you want to connect together, like so. And then from there, you can actually connect your vertices together by welding. You can bridge it together. You can connect them together in a number of different ways. It just matters how you want to do it. And just simply grab both edges, shift right click, bridge, and there's mesh that's connected together. And that's how you connect the mesh together. You can do this with arms or legs or any appendage or other parts. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.